And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask Ruben Moore, our Chief Technical Officer, and Mitya Borkat, our Design Director, to join us on stage and to unveil this wonderful. The all-new Lamborghini Fenomeno. Fenomeno is, like in the best Lamborghini tradition, the name of a fighting bull. No, this bull fought in the arena in Mexico in 2002, and it was pardoned because it was a very brave bull and it was a very noble bull, so something really exceptional. And when we speak about Lamborghini, it's about design, it's about performance, and it's about innovation. And ladies and gentlemen, when we speak about design for Lamborghini always has to be very different, but also recognizable. And there are two items which are especially known to be recognizable. One is the stance line, which is starting from the front until the rear of the car. And then if you look the car from the front, you have this squared greenhouse, which is unique in the super sports car business. And then, for us, function follows form. So this is something which is really important for Lamborghini and not the other way around. And like Aristotle said in the past, no, form is substance itself. And when we look then further, I give you some examples about the aerodynamics and the cooling of the car. Let's start with the aerodynamics. So we have here this air duct with the airflow which is coming out of here, which is going over the roofs of the car, and then entering the air scoop, which is helping also for sure to cool down the engine, but most of all it's for the aerodynamic pressure in the back of the car. And if we speak about cooling also here, no, as an example, the side floor, we have those big air intakes, which is helping a lot to cool down the car. And then the chassis and the body is entirely made out of carbon fiber, which is a very light and stiff material. And this is something which is helping to reduce, or to improve a lot the handling behavior of the car. And then when we come to the heart of the car, the engine, it's the most powerful engine we've ever had. It's a V12 naturally aspirated engine with 3 electric motors, and has a power output of 1,080 horsepower. And this is helping, together with the weight of the car, to have the best weight to power ratio of just 3.67 pounds per horsepower. And at the end of the day, this is helping to jumpstart this car from 0 to 62 in just 2.4 seconds. The top speed is over 270 miles per hour. And ladies and gentlemen, the Fenomeno, as I said at the beginning, is just a few off. So we're going to produce this car only 29 times. And guess what? All these cars are already sold out. And I know that amongst you there are some of the customers which bought the car, and this is very positive. So thank you very much for this, and thank you all for being here today. And Forza Lamborghini.
There you have it. That's new Lamborghini Fenomeno with 1,065 horsepower. Also, you have a 0 to 60 at 2.4 seconds and a 0 to 124 mile per hour time of 6.7 seconds. Top speed over 217 miles per hour. This thing looks absolutely wild. Just 29 will be made, and they're all sold out already. So that's pretty. That's as per usual with Lamborghini when they make these one-off hypercars, right? You do have that 6.5 liter V12 naturally aspirated, but you have 3 electric motors giving you supplemental horsepower. The interior looks just like the interior out of the Lamborghini Revuelto with like that side passenger display, and the rest of the interior looking just like it, right? Altogether, this is definitely looking like it's based on the platform from the Revuelto, but they just really pushed it up a whole nother level. And I would love to see more get built, but this is going to be a super exclusive Lamborghini again, like the Countaches and other ones of the past. Finally, walking around to the front of the vehicle, you see a massive new intakes. You have a cool accent point right there where the cowl would be of the hexagons, but the carbon fiber does not stop. So let us know your thoughts down below. Price tag, you know, it's another $3 million car, basically. I think it's like $3.3 million to be exact from what I've read online and seeing the bullet points that we had jotted down. Let us know, would you buy it if you had the money? Obviously, if there's 29 in the world, it's pretty exclusive, with that being said. So if you got one, hopefully it holds its value. I think over the years we've seen so many, but my favorite is the, gosh, not the Veneno, the one, the Sesto Elemento, right? The full carbon fiber track focus one. That is just so cool. I'm a big fan of the Sesto Elemento. Hopefully we get to see one of those laying around somewhere out here. Veneno was my second favorite. Let us know in the comments section down below what were your favorites from Lamborghini over the years. Now we have the whole new lineup from them, right? We have that car, we have the Temerario, the Revolto. Interestingly though, that vehicle, I don't see it going against cars like the McLaren W1 or other vehicles such as the F80, because those cars, they're producing many more of them. So my question to you guys is, why is it that with the Lamborghini, they're not going against cars like the McLaren W1 or the F80? They're making hundreds of W1s, right? I think it's right under 400 W1s. With that, 29 of those. Why not make more? And since they don't make that many of these one-off hypercar Lamborghinis, that's why I'm struggling to be able to compare it against cars like their hypercars. So we don't have Lamborghini part of that holy trinity, even though they have a hypercar, right? Same with Pagani and those other vehicles. So the only other vehicle that would be produced in sufficient numbers, I think, that could go head-to-head against McLaren and Ferrari would be from Porsche if they replace the 918 Spider. If they make a new version for the future, that would be great to see. So that's just one other quick, not rant, but just a topic I want to throw at you guys. Why is it that they don't go out and compete against F80 and W1? They definitely, I think, can. They have the technology, but I don't know if their clientele is really into that. Their clientele seems like, from what I've seen out here, they love seeing this next greatest version from Lamborghini, but I don't know if they're as committed as making that into a dedicated track monster or other things that those other competitors are. It could be completely off base. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. That's just a quick thought that ran by my head. There's so many great cars out here today. Tons of highlight Ferraris like the F50s over there. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button to help me out and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. I'll see you in the next one.